Thank you for tuning in to another edition of What Library at Home. I'm Alexis, your adult librarian, and today we are going to make wine cork phone holders. And some of the material you're going to use for today's project is a ruler to measure out some of the sizes that you're going to need, a box cutter or an X-Acto knife. I'm going to use a box cutter. You're going to need wine corks and a hot glue gun to put everything together. And let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 3 wine corks and you're going to cut a 1/4-inch square into the bottom of them, and that's going to be our base for the wine cork. So what you're going to do, you can take the ruler and you can measure out a 1/4 inch, and then I kind of just go and cut out a piece, and then I kind of like fit my phone to it just to make sure it's going to fit into the slot that I'm creating. So once you cut out your square, you're just going to kind of pop out the cork piece that we've kind of cut. So it'll look something like this, and you can go ahead and smooth it out if you want to. Okay, so once all 3 of them are cut, you're going to glue them. So we start along the side, glue those together. So while this is drying, now we have our base here. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this at a 15-degree angle, and it's going to be at a slant, so then we'll have the bases for our stand. So I'm just kind of going around, cut this off. And we'll do that for the next 2 more. We'll have 3 of them at an angle. And then we'll do our 3rd one. All right, and so now that we have this cut, we're just going to glue these on, cleaning up as I go. So we'll put a little glue on the end of these. And then put a little on the sides, because we're gonna hold them in place. Last one. To the sides as well. And now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to add the other layer on top. And last but not least is to glue our base, our stand. And we glue our stand in the back. And your finished product should look something like this. And I also did one earlier, so I have another one. So it looks something like this as well. So thank you for tuning in to another edition of What Library at Home, and check out some of our other do-it-yourself projects. I hope you enjoy them.